Okay, I'm going to make a video about how to clean a revolver. So here is our revolver, our Smith & Wesson Model 10. And say you're new to owning guns and you're just like, how do I clean my firearm? I'm gonna just give a basic video on how to do that. So you will need a cleaning kit. What I usually do is I start off with my punch rod and I just make it go through the barrel about like 3 times. Make sure the gun's empty too, so you don't accidentally hurt yourself. So once I punch it through there 3 times, so this pistol isn't like too dirty. So then I get my bore snake. You'll also need a bore snake. If you don't have one, there's other ways you could do this, and you just pull the bore snake through. Well, you try to pull it through. Yep, you just pull it through a couple times. So 1 and 1 more. There we go. And you make the bore snake go through 1 more time. So we're done there. And what else you can do is make the bore snake go through all the cylinders. This is just like a little quick video, nothing too serious. This pistol ain't that dirty, so I'm gonna just go through the cylinders. Boom. And you just go through. But as you can see, a revolver, so this thing ain't that dirty. So whoop. As you can see, it's not that bad. So that's how I usually clean my revolvers. What you can do at the end is take a rag and just wipe the overall finish of the firearm, and then you're pretty much done for cleaning a revolver. They're pretty simple machines. They don't need too much maintenance, but you always want to keep up on your cleaning schedule for your firearms, so you know they function when you need them. But I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe.